So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will now unselect everything. Once everything has been unselected, you want to select custom. Now you want to tick the box show thumbnails instead of icons, and you want to tick smooth edges of screen fonts. So you want to untick everything and then keep both of these ticked and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options. You want to select show additional plans and then select high performance. If you don't see high performance here, you want to select create a power plan. You should be seeing high performance right here. Click on it and then click on next to follow the steps, and you want to enable high performance. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in startup apps. Click on it. This list is going to show us all the applications that start automatically once the computer turns on. In my case, when I turn on my computer, Microsoft Edge turns on automatically. I don't want it to do this, so I'm going to turn it off. You want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start automatically once your computer turns on. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in storage settings. Click on it. We want to free up our C drive storage. So first you want to go to installed apps. If you have any applications here that you don't need, then you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall, and then you want to uninstall it. Uninstall all the applications that you don't need. Next, we're going to go back, so we're going to go to search and type in storage settings. You want to turn on storage sense. Make sure you have it turned on and then click on it. Scroll down and then click on run storage sense now. As that's running, we're going to go back to storage, expand show more categories, and then click on temporary files. You can tick everything here and then click on remove files and then click on continue. Next, we're going to go back to storage. You want to expand show more categories. If you see anything here that you don't need, then just click on it and then remove it. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once you complete both those scans, for the last step, just restart your computer. This will make your computer faster.